I'm gonna make a nice salsa today with tomatoes, grapes, radishes, mint, and lime. I'm gonna slice the radishes like this, and I'm going to quarter my grapes like this. Tomatoes, same thing. I'm gonna add scallion greens to this as well, guys. That's probably about a quarter cup. I'm just gonna add the leaves, the mint leaves, whole. These aren't very big and they're gonna look great in our little salad. This little salad is a great side for fish, for pork, for lamb. Now we're gonna squeeze a lime in here. And salt to taste, okay? Pretty, delish, healthy. An explosion of flavors in your mouth. Delish. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.